Have you ever wondered why a perfectly good car battery suddenly refuses to start your engine? In many cases, the battery isn't dead at all. It's simply losing power through dirty, corroded terminals. And a simple $2 household cleaner may help remove that buildup more effectively than many expensive battery cleaning sprays. Most drivers immediately blame the battery. Some replace it. Others buy a new alternator. A few even spend hundreds of dollars on electrical diagnostics. But experienced mechanics always inspect one thing first: the battery terminals. Those small metal connections are responsible for carrying hundreds of amps every time you start your engine. If corrosion builds up there, electricity struggles to flow efficiently. Even a healthy battery can perform poorly when its connections are dirty. The strange part is, this problem has existed for over 100 years. Long before modern battery cleaners filled auto parts stores, mechanics relied on simple cleaning methods using inexpensive household materials. The science hasn't changed, only the packaging has. To understand why this works, we need to go back to the early days of automobiles. In the early 1900s, almost every vehicle used lead-acid batteries. Those same basic battery principles are still used in millions of cars today. As batteries aged, tiny amounts of acid vapor escaped around the terminals. When that vapor reacted with air and moisture, it formed the white or bluish corrosion many drivers recognize today. Mechanics quickly discovered that removing this corrosion restored electrical contact. The battery itself wasn't always the problem, the connection was. During World War II, military mechanics faced similar issues. Army trucks, jeeps, and field generators operated in mud, rain, heat, and freezing temperatures. Keeping battery terminals clean became part of routine maintenance because reliable electrical systems were critical in the field. After the war, those maintenance habits carried into civilian garages. Service manuals from the 1950s and 1960s often recommended regular battery inspections and cleaning as part of basic vehicle care. Japanese manufacturers later adopted the same philosophy. Their maintenance schedules emphasized prevention instead of waiting for failure. Clean electrical connections meant more reliable starts, fewer charging problems, and longer component life. Today, the same lesson still applies. Modern cars contain dozens of electronic control units, sensors, and computers. Every one of them depends on a stable electrical system. A poor battery connection can trigger strange symptoms: slow cranking, dim headlights, random warning lights, electrical glitches. Sometimes the battery is blamed, when the real issue is simply corrosion. Researchers have long understood why corrosion causes problems. Oxidation forms a barrier between the battery terminal and the cable. Think of it like rust on a water pipe. The path still exists, but flow becomes restricted. Electricity works in a similar way. Clean metal allows efficient current flow. Corroded metal creates resistance. More resistance means more heat and less power reaching the starter motor. That's why professional mechanics rarely judge a battery by appearance alone. They inspect the terminals first. It's a small step, but it often saves unnecessary repairs. If you enjoy discovering forgotten mechanic tricks, hidden maintenance secrets, and practical automotive knowledge that can save money, subscribe to Mechanic Secrets Lab and turn on the notification bell. Every week, we reveal simple maintenance habits that many drivers overlook, but experienced mechanics still practice, because sometimes the smartest repair isn't replacing a part. It's restoring the connection that was there all along. And once battery manufacturers realized how often corrosion caused unnecessary failures, the market for specialized battery cleaning products exploded. Now here's where things become really interesting. Most people believe battery corrosion means the battery is dying. In reality, that's often not true. Corrosion is usually a symptom, not the failure itself. The battery may still have years of life remaining, but once corrosion builds up around the terminals, electricity no longer flows as efficiently. Think of it like drinking through a straw. A clean straw allows water to flow easily. A partially blocked straw makes every sip harder. Your battery terminals work in almost exactly the same way. Every time you turn the key or press the start button, your starter motor demands hundreds of amps of electrical current. That enormous flow must pass through two small battery terminals. Even a thin layer of corrosion increases electrical resistance. More resistance means less power reaches the starter. The engine cranks slower, lights may dim, dashboard warnings can appear. Many drivers immediately assume they need a new battery. Repair shops often test the battery. If the voltage looks slightly low, replacement becomes the recommendation. Sometimes that's the correct solution. But sometimes the battery simply needs clean connections. Professional fleet mechanics know this very well. Delivery vans, police vehicles, construction trucks, farm equipment, they all receive regular battery terminal inspections because preventing electrical resistance is much cheaper than replacing batteries unnecessarily. Now, let's talk about the science. That white or bluish material around battery terminals is usually formed when tiny amounts of battery acid react with moisture in the metal around the connection. The result is corrosion. Corrosion doesn't conduct electricity nearly as well as clean metal. It's like placing a thin blanket between two electrical contacts. Current still flows, but not as efficiently. That's exactly why a clean terminal often performs noticeably better. This is also why many expensive battery cleaning sprays exist. They help remove corrosion quickly and safely. However, experienced mechanics have long known that inexpensive cleaning methods can often accomplish the same basic job when used correctly. The real value isn't always the brand. It's removing the corrosion completely and protecting the terminal afterward. Think about that for a moment. A company can sell a battery cleaner for $15 or $20. Another simple cleaning method may cost only a couple of dollars. Both aim to solve the same problem. The difference is often convenience, packaging, and added protective ingredients rather than a completely different principle. That's why prevention matters even more than cleaning. Once corrosion returns repeatedly, there may be another issue. Loose battery clamps, overcharging, a damaged battery seal, or simply an aging battery nearing the end of its service life. Cleaning alone won't fix those problems. It only restores a clean electrical connection. Another mistake many drivers make is ignoring the battery entirely until the car refuses to start. By then, corrosion has usually been building for months. A quick inspection every few weeks can reveal problems long before they become expensive. Open the hood, look at both terminals. If they're clean and shiny, you're in good shape. If you notice heavy white or blue buildup, it's time for maintenance. Many professional mechanics spend less than 1 minute checking battery terminals during routine service. That tiny habit prevents countless roadside breakdowns every year. If you've watched this far, you've already learned something many drivers never do. Electrical problems don't always begin inside the battery. Sometimes they begin on the outside. In the final part, I'll show you exactly how to clean battery terminals safely using an inexpensive cleaner, what tools you'll need, the mistakes to avoid, and how to help keep corrosion from coming back for months. Now, here's exactly what to do. And it's much simpler than most people think. You don't need expensive battery cleaning kits. You only need a few basic items. First, make sure the engine is completely turned off. Remove the key from the ignition. If your vehicle has a push-button start, make sure the electrical system is fully shut down. Safety always comes first. Wear a pair of rubber gloves and safety glasses if possible. Battery corrosion can irritate your skin and eyes. A little preparation can prevent unnecessary accidents. Now open the hood and inspect both battery terminals. If you see white, blue, or green powder around the metal connections, that's corrosion. Light corrosion is common. Heavy corrosion usually means the battery has gone without maintenance for a long time. Before cleaning anything, disconnect the negative battery terminal first, then disconnect the positive plus terminal. This helps reduce the risk of creating an accidental short circuit. Now it's time for the cleaner. Many experienced mechanics use a simple mixture made from 1 tablespoon of baking soda mixed with 1 cup of warm water. It costs only a couple of dollars and is available almost everywhere. Stir the mixture until the baking soda dissolves completely. Using an old toothbrush or a small soft bristle brush, gently apply the solution to the corroded areas. Within a few seconds, you'll often notice small bubbles forming. That's the solution reacting with the acidic corrosion. Continue brushing until the metal becomes clean. Don't rush the process. Take your time and remove every visible deposit. Once the corrosion is gone, wipe the terminals with a clean microfiber cloth or paper towel. If needed, repeat the cleaning process one more time. The goal is clean, shiny metal. Allow everything to dry completely before reconnecting the battery cables. Reconnect the positive plus terminal first, then reconnect the negative terminal. Tighten both clamps securely. Loose terminals can cause many of the same symptoms as corrosion. If you have battery terminal protectant spray or dielectric grease, apply a thin layer after cleaning. This helps reduce moisture and slows future corrosion. Many mechanics have followed this simple habit for decades. The total cost is usually less than $2 or $5. The entire process often takes 15 to 20 minutes. Compare that to replacing a battery that may still be perfectly healthy. Now, here's a real-world example. A delivery driver in Arizona noticed his pickup truck was becoming harder to start every morning. He assumed the battery was failing because it was almost 4 years old. Before buying a replacement, he cleaned the battery terminals, tightened both cable connections, and applied terminal protectant. The slow starting disappeared immediately. The same battery continued working for another 18 months. That's a reminder that not every electrical problem requires new parts. Sometimes, it simply requires proper maintenance. Remember, cleaning battery terminals won't repair a battery with damaged internal cells, it won't fix a failing alternator, and it won't solve serious electrical faults. But if corrosion is the problem, cleaning the connections can restore proper electrical flow and improve starting performance. Think about how many people replace batteries every year without first checking the terminals. It's one of the simplest inspections under the hood. Yet it's also one of the most overlooked. Professional mechanics understand something many drivers don't. Good maintenance prevents expensive repairs. It doesn't just fix them. That's why checking battery terminals should become part of your regular maintenance routine. It only takes a minute, but it can help prevent the frustration of a no-start situation when you're already late for work or far from home. If you found this hidden mechanic trick useful, subscribe to Mechanic Secrets Lab and turn on the notification bell. Every week, we uncover forgotten garage knowledge, hidden maintenance habits, and practical automotive tips that help you save money while keeping your car running its best. Because the smartest mechanic isn't always the one with the most expensive tools. It's the one who understands the simple things first. And in our next video, we'll reveal another hidden car maintenance trick that most drivers overlook, one that could extend the life of your engine and save you hundreds of dollars over time.